At Syspro, we do not believe that one size fits all. And while we keep pace with industry trends, our approach is about using best practice to cater to the unique needs of your business at every point. Imagine the possibilities if you could gain business insights at the touch of a button. Syspro enables you to better manage your business performance and prepare for growth. With a Syspro ERP system in place, you will gain a full view of all your critical business data, including financial, warehouse, and inventory management across your supply chain and business operations. Using the system, you'll be able to manage capacity and stock levels to keep up with demand, streamline efficiencies, improve your customer experience, and track and trace your products at all times. It's the information you need to make better decisions. For decades, Syspro ERP has helped manufacturers like you transform your business, empower you to seize new opportunities, and shape your future. Experience the difference Syspro can make to your business to explore new possibilities and overcome challenges. Say yes to starting a new relationship and yes to taking your business to the next level, because unlocking next is where the magic happens. That's the power of saying yes to next with Syspro.